Welcome back, guys. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best smart lock in market for this year.
We've researched each product based on customer reviews, prices, and product features. If you want to know which product will be the best for you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video in the future.
At number 1, August Smart Lock. This smart lock is used in combination with your deadlock to keep your home safe. There is no need to carry keys about in your hands with this device, as it uses the August app for easy and secure entry. Regardless of where you are, you can use the app to grant family members or friends instant entry into your home. Another advantage of using this smart lock in your home or office is that it is very easy to install, and it operates well with most single-cylinder deadbolts. It works together with your smart home and with different voice assistants. The drawback is that your door will automatically unlock when you are at the door with your device. At number 2, Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Lock. The Schlage Smart Wi-Fi Lock is one of the best lockers to protect your home from infiltration. With its home app, you can manage over 100 passcodes for temporary or permanent access to your home. This smart Wi-Fi lock can work alongside Amazon Voice Assistant, Alexa, to execute commands such as opening or closing the door. It has a long-lasting battery life, and it comes with a replacement battery. Another great advantage of this smart lock is that it is very easy to install. The drawback of the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi lock is that the system sometimes fails and no access can be granted. At number 3, UltraLock Smart Lock. This is one of the best smart locks, as it uses several features such as fingerprint scanner, auto lock features, mobile unlock, and shake to open features. The fingerprint ID is very efficient and requires just a single touch to unlock your door, thereby eliminating the need to be searching for keys in your bag. The automatic locking feature is very effective, as your door will lock by itself immediately you walk past it and opens immediately you arrive at your door with your smartphone in your pocket. The UltraLock Smart Lock is highly recommended due to its ease of installation, as the only instrument needed is a screwdriver. The drawback of this smart lock is the wireless connection is very slow.